One people. It's a boy JTX official, yeah man. Ready again for another one. You see, you know, back you don't know with a never have I ever video. Yeah, you see that nerd there over here, so in the glasses in here. I'm a little brother. You believe it or not? Yeah, he used to change him pampas. Yeah, and he nappy. Yeah, you look at shit up nappy. Oh. Yes, I told you this boy, this boy is yes. So you can't diss me if he needs me to thump him down. Tell them no bad man.
Yeah man, you know it's JK Godspeed.
Oh you mean JK Godspeed. Oh, you mean. So without further ado, let me charge up your phone. And let's get into the video though. Never have I ever climbed out a window.
Yeah, we do that. Yeah, we do that a couple times.
Yeah, I'm climbing out a window enough time. Why you climb through your window? What make you climb through it?
Gonna go through door lock. I have to go through your window.
Let me tell you, a whole lot of time I go through window, especially when time me live, cause me live by myself from me about like 16 or so. When me left me with the little one room by myself. And enough time me lock out myself. You see? And a board window. So yeah, like them here, board window like them here where they behind the grill. So you know say yo, I have to go some boom and take out the board window them. You see me screw and take out the board window them and do some boom and jump in the house and they pull it from the inside because the inside latch. You see me? They can pull it from the inside and no key in, key out thing. No. You see? So me just boom, go in, pull it. You see me? Enough time I lock out myself. No, I'm a human. So next, never have I ever been told I look like a specific celebrity.
No, sir. No, yeah.
Who?
Cartel.
Which cartel? No, take off your glasses. Take off your glasses. I'll show you people.
No man, you see like when
this a boy I look like a cartel. This a boy. Yes.
No man, when I go to school and I do the round shape, man, they must say, yo, you
oh yeah, so with the round shape,
yeah,
the round shape business. Oh yeah, black cartel. But what I don't know, me get. What they say? Sometimes me get that little some favor cartel or MJ, especially when time I have on Adams glasses, you know. Don't know. Yeah, that me get mostly cartel or MJ. Sometimes when time me all a DJ, they must say, oh, sometimes you sound like cartel is about money, you got a cartel, but you don't know. Big up our boss, cause I will say, oh, never have I ever snowboard. Anytime snowfall at Jamaica, yeah, me say? Anytime snowfall at Jamaica. The only thing fall is a rain. If they say me, if me ever rainboard, then more than say, oh yeah, when rain fall, I will slide in a mudboarding. Oh you mean? That's a few snowboarding out there, mudboarding. You see? Yeah, but no, never snowboard. Never have I ever shaved my armpits.
Yeah.
Alright. Yes, of course. Growing up as you see a year growing and I go shave out it. But you see with me now, you understand? Me no grow enough hair under my arm for no one to see. You see it? You know how long me no shave? Me no grow enough hair under my arms. You see it? Arm ever sweet.
One time I shave.
Arm ever sweet what? When time this sweat up and no wash. You see me? Ooh, that have to go wash. But me not sour like some people. Me no know. But you have to just stay clean, people. Cleanliness is next to godliness. So,
Yeah.
never ever had a sibling. Me no just introduce my brother. What kind of question then? Next. Never have I ever played spin the battle. Last night me did a play spin the battle. Last night. That should I in a video, but you see me, phone battery dead and we need not near no current. So you know say yeah, that's how that go. So we play spin the battle already. You play spin the battle?
Yeah, I play a couple times.
Yeah. All the time with friends. Never have I ever destroyed something worth more than $500. 10,000 per 100. So 100 US at $10,000. Let's say that. So they might talk about $50,000. Let's see. Nah. No. Only we would have broke up since we were that much unless I feel me. And even if me ever did feel me and you were too much, we me and my shit for. Yo, you know hard money. Yo, bad man. Bad man. You know what I work for put in if we go about this or go buy that and then if you go take you and mash you. You see me, it make no sense. You see? And whether even if I easy work you do, I still work. Work. You see? Cause your time you spend. Time is money. You understand? We're not doing anything then. No. Never ever been to a school dance. Fet, if I that them a call Fet and Fear Day and them the same thing there, that a few school dance, no? Yeah, that a few school dance. You go in a dance room go, boogie down. Yeah. And you know, we know say them not really allow it to my time, but you don't know say them the time we know no uniform or nothing really, so we always grab a girl in the corner. Well, yes, sir. Yeah, so we do it. See? So do that. Never ever tried to guess someone's password.
Yeah, wally part time with that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Shall when sending their on phone really interested in want to see?
Yeah.
Every password to go in there.
Yeah.
Everything, man.
Yeah, true. You try everything. You try them birthday, you try them first name, last name, you try to figure out their middle name. Everything. Everything. You try to find out their best friend name, everything. It's an investigator. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah. Forensic right there. You want all fingerprint too. Oh, me, I tell you, man. Never ever copied a celebrity's hairstyle. Nah. No.
No, sir.
No. You think a celebrity hairstyle is a my mother does feel job too Ken and I made and so make she plait out the front parts, plait out the back. And I love me plait them and I really too love the rose. Never ever been beaten by a dog.
Nope.
Me get beaten by a dog. You know I hear a story where that they go, alright, here one. Tell you what go on. Go so boom. Go spend holiday with me. Biological daddy. You see? So the hombre that the time I run like like 80-year-old. Both them the region there. Young youth. You see? And nothing more than in the yard some bad dogs did they know so look among girls still. Not really bad dog per se. You understand? But you know, say from one make nice, the rest of them are gonna make nice too. You understand? And from one run down, the next one them are gonna run down too. So, anyways, long story short, in the day, and them are gonna pick some of the Jamaican national fruit, they say. You see me? Yeah. So, in grab it, go over there and he start pick. This man, me and him did it. I grown, you know. The dog then rush coming on. Because remember, they're not used to me. So I meet them back after. You see me? He run them. Him decide say, oh, me fit turn down a ground and him a go up in a tree. As soon as that man go up in the tree, you know where happen. You know where father. Then run down for me take up his and steal at them. Slap them up. And me go so boom. Me decide say, oh, me not attend there. So, go and pick your national fruit, you see me? When you come down, you pick them up off high ground. That me I say in my head. Me say, me I left you today, me not make no dog bite me up today. But watch you now. That I never feed the dog them plan. They decide say, oh, they go bite me up. So, I go so boom. And me walk. Me did them walk. So, the yard like fence round a town, you know. So, you know, a fence place, you know. You understand? Yard itself fence round. So, me walk on the fence and one cherry tree there right in front of the house, you know, right in front of the door basically where me if you go in and out, but the zinc they run back at it too. So me walk, when me reach back and me walk back at the cherry tree. By the time I reach round back at the cherry tree say yo, and me I go look on the door now. I did dog them that rush up on me, lick me in line fence, boom. You see me? Bite me on my foot. You see me? Ball out and he jump down with that tree, run come. You see me? Stepsister run out too. You see me? And I say, yo, blah blah, and she call off the dog them off of me, and you know? Yeah, that was it. He put capsule on it and blah blah, heal up, blah 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 blah. See me? He cuss them, because he want to feed the dog them wicked. You know? You see me? He have lighter complexion than me, so you don't know. He turn red. Yeah, red like it tip on my socks and so. See me? Yeah, he kind of dirty still, but that's how you go. Yeah. Never have I ever had a cavity.
Yeah.
If them talk about winter you eat all sweetie and you hot you, see, well then yes.
When I eat chocolate stuff, it hot me. That's why I'm not too running the chocolate. Me go with anything else.
Alright.
Yeah.
Never have I ever been on the radio. Well, me never hear myself on the radio.
Me neither.
You see me? So, would I say I know for that, you see me? Not yet though, you see me? Because soon music we do, entertainment we do, you see me? It's only airwaves, on the airwaves. If then he say YouTube, then that would have been a definite yes.
Yeah.
So never. Never have I ever wish I was the opposite sex. No. Yes, me no wish me no man. Me glad say me a man. If me the born woman, but if God the want me to be a woman, he make me born woman. Alright. So end of this one, I have a part for you. You don't know. Say this is just the intro, you see me? We open to love this, so like, share, subscribe, comment. Like, share, subscribe, comment. You see? For the algorithm. If you don't want to see more a week. Me loving the year and the universe loving the too. See?
JK Godspeed.
JK Godspeed.
Yeah.
And JTX official. We're out. No, I know say you go. Awesome.